Imagine this with me for just a moment. What if there was a silent ritual so subtle, so invisible to the outside world, that no one would ever know you were doing it, but its power was so profound that people around you began treating you with more respect, more kindness, and more love? What if you didn't need to speak up, argue, or beg for attention anymore? What if all it took was a shift inside you, so powerful that the way people saw you instantly began to change? I know this sounds mysterious, almost unbelievable, but stay with me, because in this video, I'm going to take you into a hidden practice, a silent ritual that has transformed relationships, restored respect, and even brought emotional freedom to people who once felt invisible or mistreated. And the best part, you don't need to convince anyone else. You don't need to manipulate or change who you are. This silent ritual works because it rewires how your subconscious energy interacts with the world. Now, before I reveal what this ritual really is, let me ask you, have you ever wondered why certain people walk into a room and are immediately respected, listened to, and even admired, while others, maybe even you, sometimes feel ignored, overlooked, or even taken advantage of? It's not luck. It's not about money, looks, or status. It's about energy. Silent, invisible, unspoken energy. You see, your subconscious carries wounds, memories of rejection, criticism, betrayal, or abandonment. These wounds live beneath the surface, quietly broadcasting signals into the world around you. And here's the shocking part. People pick up on these signals unconsciously. When your energy carries unhealed wounds, people may unknowingly mirror that back to you by treating you with less respect, withholding love, or dismissing your needs. It's not your fault. It's simply the silent language of the subconscious. But here's where it gets magical. The silent ritual I'm about to share cleanses those signals. It heals the unspoken energy that shapes how others respond to you. It changes the invisible conversation happening between your soul and the world. And when that changes, everything changes. People feel drawn to you. They treat you better. They sense peace and respect when they're around you without even knowing why. I'll give you a small real-life example. Someone I worked with was constantly feeling overlooked in their workplace. No matter how hard they worked, they weren't acknowledged. Their family also dismissed their opinions. It was painful, like their voice never mattered. When they began practicing this silent ritual daily, something extraordinary happened. Within weeks, co-workers started including them in important conversations. Their family began listening with genuine attention. And here's the kicker. They didn't say or do anything differently on the outside. The change happened because their inner energy shifted. Their wounds softened, their subconscious began broadcasting respect, and the world simply mirrored it back. This is the power of the silent ritual, and I want you to experience it too. Now, some of you might already know where this is going, because in my previous video, 30 Days to Attract Miracles, without changing a single thing in your routine, I shared how small, invisible shifts create massive transformations. If you haven't watched that yet, I highly recommend checking it out because it sets the stage for what we're diving into today. But this silent ritual takes things even deeper. So what exactly is this ritual? It's the practice of silent forgiveness and subconscious cleansing. When someone hurts you, whether recently or years ago, your mind records not just the memory, but the emotion. That pain sits in your subconscious and tells the world, I expect more of this. Without realizing it, you're broadcasting an open wound. The silent ritual reverses this by healing that wound with compassion, forgiveness, and release. Not forgiveness as in condoning what happened, but forgiveness as in freeing yourself from carrying that pain in your energy field. Here's the beautiful part. You don't need to confront anyone. You don't need to explain yourself. You simply close your eyes, bring the memory or emotion into awareness, and repeat a silent sequence of cleansing phrases. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. These words, gentle, quiet, powerful, unlock the knots in your subconscious. And when those knots release, your energy becomes lighter, cleaner, freer. People feel that. They may not know why, but suddenly they treat you with more warmth, more respect, more care. Now I want to ask you something personal. Who is that one person whose behavior towards you hurts the most? Who is that one memory that still burns quietly inside you? What if that wound is the reason people around you, even those who never hurt you, are treating you poorly? What if healing that one wound could shift your entire reality? Stay with me, because this is not just about relationships. When you practice this silent ritual, you're not only changing how people treat you, you're also aligning yourself with abundance, peace, and freedom. The law of attraction responds not to your words, but to your subconscious vibration. If your subconscious is carrying unhealed pain, it keeps attracting situations where that pain is repeated. But once you cleanse it, your vibration rises. You stop attracting disrespect, lack, and rejection. Instead, you magnetize love, opportunities, and harmony. That's why this ritual is so powerful. It's not about changing others. It's about silently transforming yourself and letting the world catch up to your new vibration. And I know right now you might be thinking, can it really be that simple? Can repeating a few silent words actually change how people treat me? The answer is yes, because those words are not ordinary. They are keys to the subconscious. They are a bridge between your conscious mind and your deeper wounds. Each time you say them silently, you are rewriting the script your subconscious is projecting into the world. Let me paint a picture. Imagine two people. One walks into a room carrying the invisible weight of betrayal, rejection, and anger. Their subconscious silently says, "Don't trust me. Don't respect me. I expect to be hurt again." People around them, without even realizing it, respond coldly, dismissively, or even aggressively. The second person walks into the same room, having practiced the silent ritual. Their subconscious is free, light, filled with compassion. Their energy silently says, "I am safe. I am worthy. I respect myself." And guess what? People mirror that back. They respond with kindness, attention, and love. Do you see the difference? This is why the silent ritual works. So, as you're listening right now, I want you to take a deep breath and silently say those words inside yourself. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Feel them soften your heart. Feel them dissolve all pain. You don't have to know how it works. Just trust that your subconscious is listening. And if you want to go deeper into this healing journey, remember, inside our WhatsApp community, we share exclusive details and updates about our courses. This is also where you can reach out to me personally for group and individual healing sessions. If this video is resonating with you, if you can feel that pull inside to finally heal those deep-rooted emotions, then don't wait. Join us there. Because when you heal yourself, not only do your relationships transform, but your entire life begins to open up. Now, let me leave you with this. The silent ritual is not about changing the outside world. It's about cleansing the inside world. And when you do that, the outside world can't help but shift. People will treat you differently. Opportunities will flow. Love will feel natural. Respect will come without effort, because you will have silently transformed the vibration you carry. So try it tonight. Before you sleep, close your eyes, bring up a memory or a relationship that still carries pain, and repeat silently, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Watch what begins to shift in the days and weeks ahead. Watch how people respond to you. Watch how life bends in your favor. And remember, you're not broken. You're not powerless. You carry the key within you. And that key is the silent ritual. Use it, heal, and rise.